Where are you going, Jacob? Where are you going? Are you backing it up? At least I think you're going to be a good driver by the looks of the way you back things up. Now you're going to turn back around? Come on, Jacob, where are you going in your walker? Come on, baby. Are you gonna get Riley? Jacob, where's the doggy? Get the doggy. Is it the doggy? Say woof woof. Get the doggy. Crash. You're stuck. You're stuck. There we go. Where you going, Jacob? Come by Riley. You backing it up? Are you going to get Riley? Are you going to get her tail? Get the doggy. Get the doggy. Uh-oh, you're in trouble. Here comes Jacob. Here comes Jacob. Come here, Riley. Or Jacob. Are you backing it up again? You're pretty good with this thing, it seems. And he's walking. You like your walker, don't ya? What does Riley want? Does she want a treat? What do you think, Jacob? Should I give Riley a treat? Should I give Riley a treat? You think I should? Tell her to dance. Dance. Good girl. Are you gonna do it anymore? You gonna walk anymore, Jacob? Are you gonna walk anymore? Oh. Oops. You gotta back it up. Backing it up. He's got the push and everything. Boop. Here he comes. Here he comes. Are you coming by mommy? Are you coming to get mommy? Come on, Jacob. Are you coming to get mommy? Oops. Come on. You gotta back it up a little. Back her up. Back her up, Jacob. There you go. Turn around. Turn around. There we go. Keep working. Work those legs. There we go. Work those legs. Come on this way. Come on, Jacob. Come on. You gotta go forward. What are you looking for? You see your food up there? You see your babas? You know where to park the car, don't you? Come on. Let's go. Let's take a walk. Come on, Jacob. You're getting there. Come on. Come on, Mama. Come on, baby. Come on. Jacob. Riley's back. Back it up, Jacob. You gotta back it up. Back up your car. You gotta back it up. Back it up. Boop, boop. There we go. Come on, Jacob. Come on. Getting stuck on the fridge. You can do it. Come on. Push it. Push. There we go. There we go. Now where are you going? Where are you going?